Join me today as I clean out the fridge and reorganize everything. Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm going to reorganize our fridge, clean it all out, and restock it. And this is a learning process for me. I'm always adjusting what we buy and how we store our food and all that kind of stuff. Recently we were all sick and my husband actually, thank goodness, went to the store and bought us some food. It was all a little bit random, and of course he got a lot of stuff that he likes to get, so that is totally fine. I am not the only person who lives here. Everyone is welcome to get what they want to get, of course. But I just want to add a little bit more organization to the fridge and give it a really good clean out and wash all the shelves and drawers and everything like that. This is what the fridge is looking like empty. I need to clean it, obviously, and this drawer just will not come out, so I'm gonna clean it in there. With a little bit of wiggling, I was able to get this out, and look how much cleaner I got it. Whenever I'm not feeling inspired, I like to do something simple like clean out my fridge. It's somewhat of a mindless task, but just seeing a nice, clean, organized fridge really helps me reset my whole mind and get me more inspired to start on bigger, harder projects. With enough wiggling, I was able to get this drawer out, so now I can clean it, and never mind the mess behind me. Sometimes it isn't the perfect time to do a project, you just gotta jump in and do it. For our family, doing one shop a week was just not working, so what I'm doing now is one main shop per week, and then as we run out of things, I am going to the store for fresh food like fruits and vegetables that we might run out of, because I find, for instance, if I were to buy a huge thing of bananas and either one of two things happens, we either go through all of them and we actually need to buy more, or we go through half of them and the other half turn black, and I always use them all because I can make banana bread or freeze them, but I just find that we run out of fresh food sometimes. So what I'm doing mostly is shopping one big shop per week to try to stock us up on anything that's run out, and then I find myself going maybe once or twice more to get little things here and there, more fresh food that we run out of. Another goal for this year that I've had with my kitchen and my food is trying not to be wasteful and not to waste so much food, having it go bad and that kind of thing. Please comment below if you have a good way of storing lettuce. I have just been trying to wash it and then put it in here and try to use it really quickly before it goes bad. I find that when it's wrapped in any sort of plastic, it seems to go bad even quicker. I know people have suggested there's lettuce plastic bags, but I just am trying to stay away from plastic, so comment below if you have a suggestion. I'm so glad I'm doing this because the fridge really needed to be cleaned out, and I've decided I'm gonna put all the fruit in one of these drawers and the vegetables in the other. Hopefully that will keep us more organized. And I'm not gonna really get into what we eat. I mean, you'll see what's in our fridge, but I just find everybody has such different tastes. For instance, my husband likes spicy stuff and a lot of sauces. I don't really, so yeah, I'm not gonna get into that, but I'm gonna show you how the fridge is going to be organized. Fruit in one of these drawers. I have, you know, apples and some tomatoes, and see, this kind of stuff like blueberries, I think I'm gonna put on the top shelf because it's in this container so it can be stacked. My mom has a lemon and an orange tree, so we are so lucky to get this fresh fruit. So you can see here, this is the end of a broccoli, and I'm using this in stir fries and that kind of thing. And this is the kind of stuff that I'm trying not to waste anymore, and I heard that this has the most nutrients anyway. I love these see-through containers. They keep everything so organized. This is where I put bread that needs to be refrigerated. I've decided I'm gonna put all of Grant's little hot sauces in here because whenever you open the fridge, they all fall over. So I'm going to, yes, this is gonna work so good. It's funny how something like organizing your fridge can actually lead you to doing so many more things that you weren't planning on doing. And I'm finding that when I take on tiny projects as simple as the fridge clean out, it really is making me want to get more organized in all the other areas of my home. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and tap the bell to never miss a video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you have an amazing day.